Hello, so for today's assignment we are going to be doing some activities with layer masks. So first I'm going to go ahead and create a canvas. It doesn't matter what size because I will be importing a picture anyway. So to do this I'm going to go to File and Open, and I just saved this picture of an Italian landscape, and there we go, we've now got our background. So the first thing that I'm going to do with this is go ahead and drag in my first picture. This week's theme is our favorite food, and mine is fettuccine alfredo. This whole assignment is relatively easy. I'm going to first start by sizing it to where I want, which I'm holding down the shift key to maintain the aspect size ratio, and hit enter. And as you can see, a pop-up just came up that I have now rasterized the image, which I could also do by right-clicking and hit rasterize. But since I already did it, it is not an option now. Excuse me. So then we'll use this rectangle, and I'm just going to use this to go ahead and size and crop, you could say, my image to whatever size I want. And once that's highlighted, we just then hit this layer mask image, and there we go. That was simple enough, and I'm just going to move it to up in this corner. I'll go ahead and drag in my second picture now. Again, same thing, size it to however you want. I think I'm going to do about this size and hit enter. And I'm just going to pull it over here. Now you can see if I hit right click and hit rasterize, it will then do it just like I said the first time. And again, the rectangle, and I'm going to crop it to about there, and again hit the layer mask, and I'll drag this one to up this corner. I'm personally making mine different sizes, but you can also make it very symmetric if you would like. So now you can see I accidentally just held down the, or I wasn't holding the shift key, so it changed proportion a little bit. That's okay on this image, it didn't distort it too much how I just did it, but keep that in mind that if you don't want it to completely change, you should hold down that button and hit enter. And I'm just going to crop a little bit out. I think I'm actually going to hold in a little bit more so it's a little bit more square. Sorry, I keep changing my mind to where I'm going to crop this. There we go. And hit layer mask, and then we are already done with the first part. So simple enough. So now what I'm going to do is create a copy of my background layer. I'm just going to right click and hit duplicate layer, hit OK. And now we're going to do another step with this layer mask. So first I'm going to hide all of the other layers and just having this background copy. I then will go to channels and click on this RGB and hit command, and you can see it has this little white square, and I'll just click there, and it's already selected a mask in the image itself. And then I'm just, while this is selected, I'm going to hit the adjustment layer and hit solid color, and then I can choose whichever color I would like the background to have. I might do just a fun pink color because why not? Actually, I think I'm going to do yellow. No, I'm sorry, pink was cuter. There we go. And hit OK. And again, I'm going to re-click this background copy image, and again do the exact same thing and choose your second color. I'll do a bluish tint and hit OK. And I will reinsert each of those in here. Excuse me. And now I'm going to do a drop shadow. I'm just going to click here, double click, add drop shadow. And size, I'll make it a little bit bigger. I can change the distance, the opacity. Okay. And just do it for each of these. To however you would like. And there we go, we've already got our image done. And then I'm just going to hit File. Actually, I've kind of changed my mind a little bit. I am going to, oops. Oh, I see what I'm doing. Gonna only select one of these at a time to move it. Okay. And there we go, and hit File, Save As. Make sure you save it as a JPEG. Hit Save, okay. And then make sure you upload your video of you doing it to YouTube, as well as your final images here, and submit everything that you use to create your image. Alright, thank you.